All right, we're back for another update. We're going to be replacing the sway bar end links, all four of them, starting with the back and then with the front. Last time I was doing checking out the brakes and the wheel rotation, I noticed that they were all broken. They were all Bluetooth is what they call. So I'm gonna go ahead and chalk up the fronts and jack up the rear and see what we got. Let's take a look. Alrighty, car's jacked up. There we go. We got the Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and throw some PB Blast on these guys here. Hopefully a good zip zap will do the job. Probably gonna need a breaker bar. And yeah, let's get it soaking. All right, we got it soaking there. Gonna let this spray sit for 5 minutes or so, maybe less, and then take a crack at it. So now let's go take a look at the replacement parts. There's some spark plugs. Front right, front left, rear right, rear left. All right, so let's take a peek at these guys. Okay, they look like end links. Cool. All right. Well, see you in about 5 minutes when we crack that open. All right, we are a day and a half later. I ended up having to cut the bolts off these end links because, yeah, the Allen wrench and wrench, does definitely don't work. So yeah, that's one side after 1, 2, 3 blades. Basically one bolt a blade. The first blade I cut on the other side of the end link, and there was like a little lip, so don't do it from that side, do it from the other side. Scratched up this side here, so apply some paint so that it doesn't rust. But yeah, that's how it is. And show you the tool I used. There's the cutoff. There's the other side. I threw it away already. Looks like, yeah, I probably threw it away already, but yep, there is it. Cut that. Focus, cut that off. Boom, by lean, cut it with this. This is carbide heavy duty blade, and look at the middle section right there. All teeth are missing. So yeah, one blade and nut, and these are for 3 of them. It was like $20. So yeah, all right. Let me go ahead and attach the new one and see how it looks. All right, well, it's in. All that work just for that ease of putting on. I mean, that's annoying. But yeah, I'm not even try using the Allen and wrench technique. I'm just gonna cut it off like I did this side and call it a day. I just need to get 2 more blades basically, because 1 blade per bolt, and then I need to, well, I should actually order 4 more because I need to do the fronts as well. So all right, well, that's it for this video, and I'll be back. Well, shoot, right, I gotta wait till we get the other parts, right? So this is a to be continued for tomorrow probably. Alrighty, see you then. All right, the other side of the rear is finally on, nice and tight. The cutter that I got is fine, but I need another battery or something, and it overheats too fast. So thankfully I went to my neighbor and got the real tool for the job, this guy. You can't go wrong with this tool, right? All right, well, now it's on, looking good. Side 2.
Looking good. All right, now I have connected sway bars. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this video now. We'll just do the rears, and then maybe next weekend I'll do the fronts. Can you see anything? Not really. But... All right, well, that's it for the video. Let's close it out. Talk to you all on the next one.